Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming back one more time. On this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10, how to get the installer. If you have an HP, if you have a Dell, if you have an IBM, Lenovo, whatever is the brand, it doesn't matter if you lost the installer. So there is an easy way to get the installer from Microsoft side. Let me show you that. So we're going to go to, we're going to type download Windows 10. Then we're going to go to this link right here. And then we are going to click on download now, create Windows 10 media installation, download now. So that's going to be super quick. Let me just go ahead and double click on this one. And then it's going to start the setup process. This is going to take a few seconds. It's normally just a few seconds. Well, sometimes takes longer depending on the internet connection, I guess. Okay, let me just pause the video. Oh, there it is. It's responding now. Let me just click on accept. And it says getting a few things ready. It's going to ask if we want to do an upgrade on the existing operating system or if we want to create a USB installer. So that's also going to take a few seconds. Okay, just a few more seconds. And what do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now? We don't want to upgrade this PC because I already have Windows 10. So we want to create installation media, USB flash drive. Of course, you need a USB drive to create the USB installer. Let me just click on next. And then by default, it's going to be Windows. The language is going to be English. The edition is going to be Windows 10, but I can unselect this if I want and then just try to customize this. But I'm going to leave it as this. And then just click on next. And then it's going to ask, it needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. So that means that we need a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes. Or we can just download and then create an Acer file. So let me just select the first one. Click on next. And it says that I have a USB drive that is connected, and it's this one. So let me just click on next. And then the creation process is going to start. And then let me stop the video and then I will come back once this is done because it's going to take some time. And as you can see, the verification for the download was done. So now the progress to create the installation is going to be another part. This is going to take probably a few more seconds. And well, it's actually going super fast. So let me just start the video and then just come back when it's close to the end. And as you can see, it's 98% done. Just a few more seconds and we will have our USB ready for installation. Just a few more seconds. Just a few more seconds. Well, it looks like it is taking more than a few seconds. Okay, and we have our USB ready for installation. So that being said, with this USB we can reinstall Windows 10 on any vendor computer. You can use it for HP, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, any brand, because since Windows 8, the serial number is already on the BIOS of the computer. So that means that we can use any generic installer to reinstall our OS and then we can get it activated without being worried for the license. So hopefully this video is going to be useful for you and I will see you in the next video.